Hi guys, my name is Alessandro. I'm one of the educators for the Toni&Guy London Flagship Academy and also an art director for the Toni&Guy Westfield Salon in White City, London. And today I'm gonna share with you some tips on how to style the hair that are grown out during those difficult times of lockdown. Because of the length that I got at the moment, I wanna play a little bit more with it, so I decided to push everything forward, maybe enhance a little bit the texture and the messiness of my look with some label M products. I'm now gonna apply a little bit of a grooming cream in my hand. And I'm gonna spread it through my palms and making sure that the product is distributed evenly everywhere. I'm just gonna use my hand, use my finger, but if I need a bit, I can also help myself out with a comb and I can comb it backward or forward, just to make sure that the product goes evenly everywhere. Messing it up again with my fingers. And I'm gonna use now the hair dryer without a nozzle because I don't wanna really break down the product, but I wanna bring out the natural texture of the hair. And I'm also gonna work it with the fringe flat against my natural movement because I don't want any parting that opens up. I wanna try to keep everything nice and flat forward. Okay, now I'm pretty happy with the natural texture of my hair that came out thanks to the grooming cream. I'm now gonna apply a little bit of deconstructor and I'm gonna use just a small amount of product like that. And again, I'm gonna work it through my hands and apply it into the hair just to create a little bit more of a definition, a little bit more of a separation, giving myself a little bit more of a sculpting feeling, but without really going too glossy. I want to still maintain the shape quite nice and matte. Control a little bit the side here where my length is growing out, just to make it flatter around the curvature. Just with my finger, just to create that leakiness and that separation throughout. Okay guys, now that we styled it forward, I'm gonna show you how versatile this product is because it allows me to manipulate the hair, manipulate the product within the hair and also create another result. So I'm going to place a very simple visual parting with my hands, like that. And I'm going to push my fringe now backward. I'm gonna get a little bit more of a product, just a very, very little amount as most of the product is still in my hair. I'm going to spread it through my palms and with my finger, I'm just gonna work the product out. I'm going to push it back, creating that separation that I want to achieve. Working a little bit with the volume in order to create the lift on the roots. And once I'm happy with that, I can just flat down a little bit more the side in order to maintain more control throughout the full shape. Maybe giving a little bit of a softness through the edges. Perfect. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how to create a dual look by using the same product. Watch out for the Toni&Guy family and we'll see you soon.